Antibiotics for infection. Today's video, I am going to tell you some ingredients that you will start taking in order to get rid of infection. But what is an infection? An infection is like a disease, bacteria, virus, and fungi organisms that enters your body and disrupt your body system. So if you are experiencing any symptoms of infection, all you have to do is to go for proper checkup or diagnosis to ascertain whether you have infection and the type of infection you have. But nevertheless, if in case you have infection, start taking these natural ingredients to get rid of infection, and these are also home natural remedies to get rid of infection. That is what I am going to share in today's video. Once you keep taking this, you are protecting yourself in advance. So my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you want to know more about men, or you are new on this very channel, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are the ingredients that will help you to get rid of infection and natural home remedy to get rid of infection in advance? On how you keep taking this, it will protect you from contracting any infection. So try it and you will have a testimony. Number one is garlic. Garlic is one of the best ingredients to add in your diet in order to protect you from infection. If you keep taking garlic, you are going to get many health benefits in terms of your body system and for you to boost up your immune system. So what are the benefits? I am going to share some few benefits of garlic. Number one, it will increase the rate and function of your brain, and most especially, it helps to destroy germs, bacteria, and fungal diseases in your body system. So that is why you need to consume garlic. On how you consume garlic, it will protect you and protect your immune system. It also make you to boost up your immune system. So that is it for garlic. Number two is ginger. It will help you to get rid of infection or to protect yourself in advance. If you keep taking garlic consistently and ginger consistently, they will protect your immune system, they will protect your body system, and they will boost up your immune system as fast as possible. This helps to give you a healthy brain and to protect all parts of your body against any kind of infection like bacteria, fungi, or any kind of germs. So number three is turmeric. Turmeric is also another powerful ingredient you need to consume in order to get rid of infection, and also in terms of anti-inflammation, it will help you to protect you from inflammations and the other things that will disrupt your immune system. But after all this, another one is onion. Onion can still help you to protect or get rid of infection. So that is it. But another ingredients that will help you to destroy any kind of bacteria, fungal diseases, or germs in your body system is when you keep consuming bitter kola. Bitter kola can still help you to get rid of infections in your body system after making you to last longer in bed, and to also make you to boost up your sperm count. It can also make you to get rid of infection. So that is it for today's video. Ginger, garlic, and onion, add them in your diet consistently. They will protect you from contracting infection and germs. And not only that, In advance, they will protect your immune system, your body system from any kind of infection. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, support this channel by subscribing. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Hit the like button to also support this channel. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video to your friends and families. People you think that might need this very video. Share this video to them. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. I wish you good luck. Bye.